Good, man. Nowadays, producers don't have any personality behind their beats. It just sounds plain. It sounds. Most of the beats sound fucking unhuman. They sound robotic. They sound like AI would do this. What is music? What is beat making? It's art. And art is not only making beats. Art is to be a painter, to be a singer, to be a composer. So you think a painter will the painter will have his own touch. He will have his own vision. And if you search up some great goated painters, they all have different styles. Their pictures are beautiful, but you can actually define their personality whilst looking at their picture, at their paint. Yes, they do copy each other. Bad painter is that who copies and everybody recognizes that he copied someone. But the good painter is that one who copied and people actually believe that it's his art, that it's his vision. So beat making is the same thing. Music production is the same thing. Yes, you can copy people, but at least show that not pretend, but give out that this is your style. Give out that this is your personality. This was in terms of copying, but in general, man, try doing the shit you actually love. Try making hi-hat patterns. Try picking different sounds like you want to, not like Yeet would love to. But start at your. Think about yourself. Express your own inner voice, inner vision. And I will tell you that artists, not every artist will fuck with this, but some will do for sure. This is how Benny X and Yeet linked up. Their connection clicked. I watched a recent Yeet interview, Apple Music interview. It was published a day ago, and Yeet told that Benny X, he just first time he linked up with Benny X, something clicked between them, and they just fuck, what you doing, bro? Something just clicked between them, and they created some art. This is what you should aim for. Of course, I'm not trying to tell you that don't work for different opportunities, don't work for this artist, don't work for that artist, for sure. But if you're trying to hide your own inner sauce on the beat that you make, don't hide it. Don't hide it. If you're sending out to Drake, if you're sending out to Yeat, I will tell you that it's not only you sending out. There is like 300 or 400 more producers that are sending out to Yeat too. And imagine if every producer that sends out to Yeat don't have any own sauce. Imagine that every beat that they send, it's just pure Yeatness. Do you think some of the beats will stand out from each other? No. So the point I'm trying to tell you is that yes, completely aim for artist opportunities. Work for them. Aim for them. But don't hide your own personality behind the beats. Because when the artist is actually listening through all of the beat catalog that producers had sent to him, to the artist, imagine him listening to 200 beats in an hour, in a session, before he even records. What would he pick determines not determines, but you just gotta know that, understand that he will not pick the beat that was made by AI. He will pick something fresh, something human made, and something that stands out. So don't it doesn't mean that you have to make some alien noises or like laser dim type beat, making 808 pattern go crazy, like picking one shot of an engine fart and making this as a 808. But you can though. It's art. At the end of the day, it's art, and nobody tells you what is wrong, or what is right, or what is wrong. So make music. What the fuck did I just say? Make music. My brain is cooked. What the fuck is signaling about? Pussy. Make music, bro. Have fun. It should be your personality. You should just open FL Studio or Ableton and just create shit. You're a painter. You paint. You paint the way you want, not the way people want you to paint. So, bro, follow my channel, like every video, comment on every video, glaze on every video, so YouTube algorithm would think that I'm the shit. But I'm the shit though. But you just don't even you don't even feel that I'm the shit. I feel like I'm the shit to myself, and this is not a bad trait. This is not a bad trait. It's not ignorant. It's not what's the word? Narcissist. No, it's not. I'm still behaving like a good boy to people. Not a good boy, not a pleaser, but just with whole respect and honesty and caring and love. But I'm just fuck. Yeah, I'm the shit, bro. I'm the boss. I'm the boss of my own life. Why shouldn't I be the boss for myself? If I feel like I'm him. Why shouldn't I? This is kind of strange though. Why is it considered misogynistic or some bullshit like this if you feel like you're the shit for yourself, not for others? You don't have to express that, use the shit for people. But just in general, if you have this feeling for yourself, why not? It's great. And one more thing. I noticed that when I speak English, I start to sound more like the shit, more like I'm the shit, more like I'm the bossy shit. It's a kind of you can kind of have, bro. What the fuck is wrong with my brain? Shit. Fuck English, bro. Let me just switch to Russian. Надоело уже все просто. Oh, fuck. My brain is cooked. What the fuck? You can actually notice this pattern behavior in Ray's speech. Ray, a streamer, YouTuber, close friend of Kai Cenat. You know Ray, Chinese or Taiwanese guy. And there was a video with he was being interviewed. The Ray guy was being interviewed, and the guy asked a question about his girlfriend, and Ray just said, "Nah, I left that bitch in Taiwan." Nah, what? How did he say that? He said that, "No, I broke up with my first girl," or some bullshit like that, and then he said, "I left that bitch in Taiwan." He's like, I left that bitch, bro. You will not say that in your own language, in your own native language. This is a harassment. This is bad. But you know English, especially when you're not a native speaker. English curses, the words like fuck, bitch, pussy, like you can just spam them, and you will not actually. These words they will not get you the feeling like it's bad, because you actually hear them 24/7 from YouTubers, from rappers, from. You're not native. You're not related with this official language, English, Great Britain, cup of tea. You're not related to this. You're just related to English overall. You hear English from everywhere, from Australians, from United States, from Great Britain, British accent, Liverpool accent, some bullshit like this, and you just a Nigerian accent, an Indian accent, every accent you hear, and you just combine those accents. You combine every person's speech that you hear, from LeBron James to fucking, I don't know, Trump, to Donald Trump, and your brain it's like a 3-year-old baby who hears the words and he's trying to copy. This is it works like this for me. This is what I experience. So yeah, bro, glaze my shit in the comments, please. Like some shit, follow my shit, because the shit is still shittiest shit of ever shitted. So don't be shitty and just shit on everyone. Shit, bro. Just shit on everyone. Fuck all, bro. We're the best.